So today I got to replace some decking boards for my friend's mother. She's pretty much, I consider her a friend as well. But obviously I grew up with her son, so I guess we're closer. Anyways, I want to get this closet done. I want to sand that down and get a coat of paint on it before I go. And then I also have a few estimates to do. Well, I don't got time to paint the closet. I gotta get on the road here. But I misplaced my friggin' keys again, man. Why am I always misplacing those? We have to grab the saw. What else do I have to grab? I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about it. Oh, hello. How are you? How are you? Well, I'm getting on the road a little later than I would have liked. I couldn't find some of my tools, mainly just a pry bar. That's the worst, man. You're always missing tools. So now I gotta go get some lumber and then I can head over. I don't think the actual job's gonna take too long. It's just a couple of decking boards, and I gotta replace two 6x6 concrete footings, I guess, that they used to put on decks. They don't do it anymore, but that's what they did at one point. So that's where we're going now. We're gonna pick up some lumber and then we'll head over to the job site. Well, it's a little chilly. It's a little colder than I thought it was outside. I might have to go get a warmer jacket. I also forgot my jack. I'm gonna need a jack to jack up the deck so I can get the 6x6 out and put the new one in. All right. Need those. I need this. I had to put on a warmer jacket too because it's kind of chilly out there. Okay, I got that unloaded. Let's go check it out. Alright, I got the lumber dropped off. Now I'm going to head to an estimate. And then I'm going to grab some lunch. And then come back here and get to work. Well, that's a little more challenging of a retaining wall to do. It's a tiered wall, and it's on a hill, but the hill's not terrible on the back side of the wall. So, and the slope going down isn't too bad either to get materials back there. So I don't think it'll be too bad. Now I'm just gonna go grab some lunch and get started on the replacing those deck boards. I got a coupon for a spicy chicken combo. Oh, there. Oh, thank you. Well, I just had some lunch, and now we're gonna head back to the job site and get to work. This particular step here is not well built. There's a few things I ran into, like this. The stringers weren't cut right, and this whole thing's crooked because these are straight cuts, but they don't line up. You can see they're all like that. Call it the homeowner special. Well, we're going to take a little break from that job because I got to grab some more tools, and I have an estimate that I got to do as well. So by the time I got back from the estimate, it'll be quitting time. So there's no point of trying to get back there, grab the tools, do the estimate, try and get back there. That's just crazy. But we made some good progress today. Well, we're just heading to the second estimate for the day. I usually don't like booking 2 estimates in one day because it's just too busy. You know, can't be leaving the job site constantly and never get anything done. And so just heading there now. It's a bit of a drive. It's about a half-hour away. Halifax. Man, that sun feels nice today. It's a little chilly out, but that sun's just so warm. So warm on my chest right here. Now, what's funny is I've done 3 other jobs on this street. I've done a retaining wall on the street. I've replaced the lawn on the street, and they've all been year after year. Just kind of cool. I thought maybe this person was like talking to the other people I did work for, but apparently that's not the case. And it's such a small street too. It's not like a super long street. Well, my battery's about to die, so that's gonna be the end of today's vlog. Thanks for watching.